Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this video I'm going to do a back workout, and basically this exercise is like a reverse push-up. It's like a push-up for your back. I'm going to do it on the floor. It's quite simple to do actually. I just turn around like this on my back, or on my butt right now, and I'm going to put my hands back, and there are different positions you can do this in. You can do it at a wide grip. You can do it at shoulder width. Or you can even do it in a close grip. The close grip, basically your hands are together, and it's a little more challenging to do that way because you have to really be aware of your balance as you're doing it. The other positions are a little bit more practical. The shoulder width position and the wider than shoulder width. Today I'm going to do the shoulder width position. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cross one leg over the other, and then put my hands at about shoulder width, and then look up at the ceiling and just do it as like a reverse push-up, a push-up for your back. Okay? Keep your lower back straight. Breathe normally. Yeah, it may not look like much, but it's actually a pretty challenging back exercise. So again, just cross one leg over the other, like so, to give yourself a central pivot point. Today I'm doing my hands at shoulder width, okay? Like I said, you can do it at wider than shoulder width with your hands out, or you can do it with your hands close together. Today I've chosen to do that at shoulder width. Okay, so again, okay, look up at the ceiling. Bring your back down as far as you can. Your butt down. And actually, it's quite an effective back workout. Let me button my hands up there. Noise that was there. So it's a pretty effective back workout. Very. It doesn't look like much, but it's actually pretty challenging. Just looks like a simple exercise, like anyone could do, and that's exactly what it is. But actually brings you to fail point pretty quickly. All right, one more time. Yeah, I'd be surprised how challenging that is. And you can also mix it up if I want to do an add-on with this exercise to get also a little bit of shoulders in there. And again, I'm doing it about shoulder width. You can vary your footing position to get different angles. And I'm really feeling that now, especially in the shoulders. So when I mix it up, get a door exercise, it also involves my shoulders, my upper back and my shoulders. So I'll do a couple of those, then I'll go back to the on the floor exercise. And you can move your footing position to get different angles also, to involve more of your back or more of your shoulders, different points in your back. As you vary the angles, it will vary the muscles that you're working, the points in the muscles that you're actually working out. So my feet are about 1 yard, 1 meter from the door. And I'm really starting to feel my back, especially after doing the floor exercises. And I can just kind of rotate these and do them in succession to get an overall good back and shoulder workout. All right, so I'm going to go back to the floor back workout, the back press basically, back lift. All right, so again, look up at the ceiling. Keep your lower back straight. Don't let your lower back sag. Okay. And as you can see, it's getting pretty challenging already. It's actually quite a tough exercise. Surprisingly, it doesn't look like much, but it's actually pretty tough to do. The reverse push-up, reverse back push-up, or the back press, if you will. All right. So again. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to mix it up again with the door exercise. So put my hands like so, and just put my feet out about a meter or a yard from the door. Oh, and that's actually pretty, starting to feel my muscles hurt after doing the floor exercise, the floor back exercise. So I'll just give it a quick flex to add some definition to the muscles and to pump the muscles up a little bit more and tear the muscle. Okay, so just a quick little pump here. About 20 seconds, about 25 seconds, 15 to 25 seconds is what I usually do. And yeah, my muscles are pretty tired already. So just flex for a short bit, a few seconds. And then, let's go right back into the door exercise. So again, my feet are about a meter or a yard from the door. You can also vary your hand position. Yeah, that's actually getting pretty tough. So you can vary your hand spacing, but as you're doing a back exercise or shoulder exercise, back and shoulder exercise of the door, you can also vary the height to get to target different areas of the muscle and to target the muscles from different angles. So basically, it's that easy. There's so much variation that you can do with home workouts, home bodyweight workouts. It's almost impossible to go over in one video, but you can do different angles, you can do different heights. Okay. That's actually getting pretty challenging after doing the floor back workout, which is pretty challenging. So you're just adding challenge upon challenge, which is good. You need to do that in your home workout. All right, so here we are again. All right, so let's go one at a time. Just remember to look up. That's getting reaching some pretty strong points of failure, some pretty convincing points of failure there. So let's give it another quick second here, and then I'll do another one, then I'll do another door exercise, and then we could probably start to think about quitting for today. So one more time, just rest up until your muscles have recuperated a little bit, as much as they're going to recuperate in a short time. Okay, so that reaches some pretty strong failure points there. So, again, let's go back to the door. And these really work well with the floor back workout. Oh, it's a nice compliment. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's quite painful. All right, so just going to give it a quick rest, a couple seconds. Flex one more time. And then I'll try the door one more time just to try to reach another quick point of failure. I'm just going to do a quick flex this time, maybe like 15 seconds. Just add a little bit of extra definition to the muscles. And pump the muscles a little bit more. Okay, so let's go back into it. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Wow, it's starting to hurt now. Okay, so that is about the extent of the back workout that I can and should get from this. So that's a very effective workout. It doesn't take very long to do. Here. It doesn't take very long to do, and you can just again combine it with another exercise. So combine two exercises together to work the shoulders into your back workout as well. And it's effective for different angles. You can, again, like I said, you can vary the height of your hand position if you're doing the door back workout, back shoulder workout. And you can also vary your hand position to just add more variety to the workout, which is important, and try to reach multiple points of failure. But that is a very nice workout. It doesn't look like much, especially the floor back exercise, but it really gives you a nice pump. And I seem to reach the points of failure quite quickly, and it's only 11 minutes so far, about 11 minutes into the video. So anyway. Everyone, stay motivated to work out at home. It really doesn't take much time to do. Do it in your spare time and quickly, and just go at it. Just do it. Get it done. Don't complain. Don't whine. Just do it. And a couple minutes in the morning makes you feel good going out into the day to work, whatever you need to do. So anyway, stay motivated to work out at home. Get some energy, get some gusto going in the morning. And everyone stay strong out there. This is Byron signing off, and see you next time.